Hey, mother, come here.
Nope, I ain't stupid. That's what she was.
I came
I'm Donald Trump.
No, I didn't. You don't want to get fired.
That wind feels so good. I know it don't work for you right now, but it feels good. Buggy's like, I gotta find something to do. You walked into a war zone, Casey.
Mine ain't going out. Now
Figure out how to zoom.
Yeah.
Last one. It's the last one. Come here, we're gonna light it on your head.
He's
gonna let me.
He probably would. He's retarded.
You gonna let it fall?
If it twists back, it's gonna shoot you.
Move.
It ain't burnt. It's burnt though. Yes, it does.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Here comes
Look, he's ready for that too.
I'm ready for those ducks.
Y'all gotta scoot back because those jump.
Oh, I want to take.
Scoot back to the sidewalk, please.
It is the sidewalk right now.
Well, scoot on farther back. That's what Oh. Did it scare him?
Run, buddy. You know what? He was holding his cake, so he was holding his cake and running with it. I'm a beach y'all.
I don't do this.
He's not gonna lose his cake.
Wayne, I don't
flowers.
do
We will.
Did you hear me?
this. The folk
Did you not count their flowers?
They were half a flower.
This is what they keep traveling down. It's not gonna come up all the way.
No, this is a smoke bomb. It blows up. It will blow up.
You know what that is?
What is that? That vine?
Morning glories.
Oh.
You know how people get mad because they climb all over and climb all over everything?
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to put them near
No,
something
you
like
don't.
that. They don't have to climb
There
up
you
it. They don't make a bush and bloom. And that's pretty.
I remember you used to have the gates
You gotta
there.
get up trash, babe. Go get the broom.
That's why I moved the gates. See them gates? I pay